To download a font to your iPad, first you have to go into a website that you can get a font from. I like to use Dafontcom. So I'm going to use a cute little sheep here. You click on the download button and then click download. Then you come up here to this little circle and click on it. Then you're gonna have your files sent to your downloads here. So I'm gonna click on cute little sheep zip, and then I'm gonna open my file here, and I'm gonna find the one that says TTF. It's a true something font, but that's the one that you want right there. So we have that now. We're going to click on open here. And I use a app called AnyFont. You do have to have an app to save your fonts to if you're using an iPad. AnyFont has just been so easy for me, so that's the one I use. And now we're going to look for the font here. And it is right there. And you can tell that it hasn't been downloaded yet because there's no check mark here. So you just click on it. You click install, allow, close, and now you have to go into your settings, and you're going to come up to profile downloaded. Now you can only do one of these at a time. If you try to do a second one and try to get all those steps done and then just do this part, all of these parts at the same time, it won't work. It only shows you the profile downloaded for the very last one that you did. So then you click on install, type in your password, and then click next, install, and done. So now that that's done, you want to make sure that you restart your Cricut. So just swipe out of it if it is open. I just wait a couple seconds, and then I'm going to go open it back up. Go to new project. Then I'll come over here to my text. And instead of actually having to go through all my text, I'm just going to type it in. So I'm going to go to system. That's all the fonts that are on your system. And type in cute little sheep. And there it is right there. So then you're able to start writing right away. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. And feel free to join my Facebook group. The link is in the bottom in the description. Thank you. Bye.